Success will be yours with these affiliate marketing tips. Affiliate marketing works for businesses because they can place a link on a related website that leads directly to them. They gain traffic because people are at the hosting website because of an interest in the area that the business markets to. The hosting website wins by gaining commission. This video delves into the area of affiliate marketing and the many ways it works. Stay on top of changes in the commission structures your affiliates offer. Many affiliates will vary the commission they offer to website owners based on seasons, current sales figures, and individual performance. If you keep up to date with your affiliates' commissions, you can modify your website to emphasize or de-emphasize their products accordingly. Provide good quality, useful content on your affiliate website. If you provide visitors with well-written, helpful videos and product reviews, they will be more likely to trust you. Once you have earned the trust of your website visitors, you have a much better chance of persuading them to buy a product via your affiliate link. If you have a rapport with the people who visit your website, you can boost the performance of affiliate marketing by making personal endorsements. This does not work for all webmasters. If you run the kind of site where visitors get to know and trust you, though, your visitors may respond well to an honest endorsement from you. Your affiliate website provides your income, so you have to be sure it works perfectly. You need to use a web hosting company with adequately equipped facilities with a guarantee of 99% uptime. Choose a hosting plan according to the traffic you expect. It is also wise to choose a hosting company who provides the customer service you need. As the above example shows, there is much potential in affiliate marketing for both parties. The link that is clicked on only pays if someone goes to them through that link. So it is cost effective for them. By learning more and exploring affiliate marketing, you can bring traffic and profits to your website. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.